This is a quick introduction of BioMCP, an open-source toolbox for biomedical research AI assistants and agents. Without context, powerful AI is static and incomplete. Large language models have been trained with a corpus of data from the public internet and other sources, and they now have access to web search, but in complex domains like biomedical research and healthcare, it's not enough. The Model Context Protocol, recently released by Anthropic, empowers large language models with tools, resources, and prompts. It's an emerging standard that is rapidly gaining adoption. BioMCP is an instance of the Model Context Protocol that helps with building AI research assistants and AI research agents. It's a set of tools that let those assistants and agents access clinical trials through the clinicaltrials.gov API, genomic variants through the myvariant.info API, and research articles, abstracts, and full text from PubMed. For clinical trial search, a researcher could search for the active trials for a certain drug for a certain disease type in a location. A large language model assistant or agent would be able to parse out the specific entities, use those entities to then construct a complex query that could then be sent to clinicaltrials.gov, the results of which are then read and explained back to the user. The user can then ask follow-up questions and use that information further in their exploration. PubMed search is performed using a service called PubTater3, which has very high retrieval scoring because of its ability to break out specific named entities for drugs, diseases, genes, and variants. The genomic search allows for a very rich set of filtering, sorting, and other mechanisms for identifying specific genomic variants through the myvariant.info website. More information about these three APIs and how they're used will be explained in other videos. For more information about BioMCP, please check out the GitHub repository